Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're in Zoom and ready to share audio. First, confirm your mic and speakers work by testing audio. Once done, plug in a headset or set speaker volume near 70% so listeners hear clearly. Next, click Share Screen and select the window or screen that holds the audio. Make sure to check Share Computer Sound at the bottom left of the dialog. That routes system audio into the meeting. This step ensures Zoom captures the sound rather than only your microphone. Now choose the exact source. Pick the application or Chrome tab playing the audio so Zoom shares the intended track. Before hitting share, enable Share Computer Sound. If you're playing music or a video, also enable Optimize for video clip to preserve fidelity. Once shared, lower your microphone or mute yourself to prevent feedback. The system audio will carry the sound. Monitor participants' volume feedback and pause to tweak levels if others report clipping or being too quiet. Finish by asking participants for a thumbs up so you confirm the audio is audible to everyone. If someone can't hear you, stop sharing and reopen Share Screen, ensuring Share Computer Sound is checked and you selected the correct window or tab. Sometimes restarting the share fixes routing glitches. If quality is poor, open Zoom audio settings, right arrow advanced, and switch to stereo or original sound for music. These final checks and quick fixes keep your audio clear and your meeting on track.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.